Hey, what's up everybody? How you doing today? I have something new to unbox. Maybe call it accessory for laptops, but you can also use it for other stuff, like for example, smartphone. Now, we have something called uh, ergonomic. So ergonomics is a multi-level aluminum laptop cooling stand with dual USB ports. And as you can see here, there's a big fan inside here that if you have let's say a laptop that heats a lot, if you have a problem with it, and this laptop have the right ventilation on the back, the punch hole, it will actually, this product's actually gonna really help you. I'll demonstrate that later on, but for now, I will just unbox this thing. So before we just unbox, let's take a look at what we have here. So we have up to 17-inch laptop. Here we have dual USB ports, and we have adjustable fan speed, anti-slip grip. Of course, we have these rubbers as you can see, and we have tablet and mobile stand, so you can use the mobile. If it's a gaming mobile, you can just probably, it heats a lot, and this could help. I don't know, it might not be really practical for mobile phones. Also, it has adjustable stand, so let's get it into it, right? All right, let's see. Okay, and straight away you can see the product, and it's actually made of metal, or steel. All we have here, we have a USB to USB cable to make this connected, and we have a small, what is this? Quick guide. What? There's nothing. There's no guide here. Anyways, just take this box away. And let's see what we have here. It looks like a spaceship, right? Now, there are actually a lot of products just like this, but you will find it with a low quality plastic and maybe really bad fan. But this one, they do not actually cut on cost. Look at this, Promate Airbase G. I have to open it to show you. This is really well built, by the way. Now, how to set it up? It's just like this. You put right this, and you put your laptop on it. Now, I don't have my laptop near to me, but I'll bring my MateBook D 14-inch, and I'll show you how this fan can cool. And also, I'm going to show you a benchmark that if you actually use this or not, will the temperature going to drop for the laptop, especially if a gaming laptop. So I have now I have the GE75 from MSI, but that laptop is just it's like a freezer. It can cool by itself, no problems at all. Also, I have a laptop which is the Asus, and that one really gets hot, really, and throttles a lot. So I have to check this out as well. Now let's take a look at the back side. Here you can see the big fan right here. This is like a PC fan, high quality PC fan that can cool. And it does actually bring out the nice cooling. Let's just look at this. Let's look at the information over here. So the voltage is gonna draw 5 volts from your laptop, because you're gonna connect USB-C to your laptop. Fortunately, it doesn't have any battery or anything else, so you have to connect it through the laptop straight away. As you can see, power output. It's made in China, obviously. And we have 2 stands here, like you can see here. You can pop it up, just like this. And the other one, look like that. And then, you can actually set it up like this. It will be way higher stand, just like this. But you can just turn it off and put it like this. It'll be flat, a little bit flat. Now, the ergonomic actually going to help you to type as well. So you see these laptops nowadays, when you open the lid, the hinge going to uplift the laptop for the cooling purposes. This one already put it in this state. So it's gonna look really nice for the laptops that do not have the hinge lifting, because if you lift the hinge in addition to this, it's gonna make your laptop look like way upstanding. In that case, it's actually preferable to have just a flat laptop when it comes to opening the lid. Yeah, that's it, guys. If you like the video, please like. And by the way, I have the giveaway video for the Alcatel 3X. Go there and participate. Send it to your relatives and your friends. Let's do it, guys. Hopefully, someone is gonna win. 7 days left, or 6 days actually now. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoy the content, and see you guys later.